So what you doing, Kelly?
I'm eating the chocolate.
Whoa. Is there any left for me?
No!
No?
There's only 1, 2, 3 inside.
1, 2, 3 inside? And then whose are those?
This one is Mommy's and Connor's, and this one is Daddy's.
All right. And how's yours?
Mine is so yummy.
So yummy, huh? What flavor is it?
Mint, and I like mint.
Mm-hmm.
I like mint.
Mint? With chocolate?
Wait a minute. That's the letter of my school. Of the week.
Really?
The letter of the week of my school.
What is it? What's the letter?
The letter M. M.
Good.
N.